Hello everyone, I'm Mcclendon, and today I bring you Terra. I'll be sharing 3 simple things about this cryptocurrency. I'll be giving you guys market information, where to find some of the most important news on this crypto, and price prediction. Let's begin. So Terra, guys, its ticker is LUNA, sitting at $43.31 since I made this video, and a huge market cap at $7.34 billion. You can find this cryptocurrency on multiple exchanges, guys, so it's very out there. It is, let's see, number 12 on the top cryptocurrency, so it's very popular. Has a lot of liquidity. So what is Terra? Terra is a blockchain protocol that uses fiat-pegged stablecoins to power price-stable global payment systems. According to its white paper, Terra combines the price stability and wide adoption of fiat currencies and with the censorship of resistance of Bitcoin, and offers fast and affordable settlements. The development of Terra began on January 2018 and is the mainnet officially launched on April 2019. As of September 2021, it offers stablecoins pegged to the US dollar, South Korean won, Mongolian tugrik, and international monetary funds special drawing rights, or SDRs. So it has a lot of pegs for some of the stable coins. So let's check out their main website, guys. This is their main website. This is terra.money. You guys can find out more about their what their platform is by going to their YouTube channel. How does Terra work? So if I didn't break it down good enough, guys, you can watch some of their videos, learn more about what they have and what they offer. Also, they have a huge Twitter page. Huge Twitter following, my bad. 187,000 followers. So that is a lot of people involved. So you guys want to find more news about it, please check out the Twitter page. Let's begin with the price prediction. So I already have some of the main indicators that I use when doing a price prediction. Let's see. So when you come in here, I'm using 2 main indicators. My first one is going to be the super trend, and then I'll be using Fibonacci extensions. So Terra recently has been very, very volatile. I mean, if you start looking at it on the daily, look at it between here and then this big boost since August, and it's been rampant, and have been big swings of people buying major entries and exiting, buying major entries and exiting, and now it's kind of slowing down. Doesn't mean it's not going back up or going back down. It's slowing down. Maybe the bulls and bears are fighting off each other right now. But this is how I would approach it, guys. So for me, if I'm going to hodl this cryptocurrency, this thing right here, let's see. To hodl it right here would be very interesting, because for me, I would be doing, since it's slowing down a little bit, I would buy a very small amount here and stack, because it might just head down a little bit lower, down to this position at the $39 level. So I will be placing a buy limit and another buy limit here for my hodl positions. So let's do this right here, my arrow, because it might trend down a little bit. So I'll be placing my buy limit initially at this current price, the current open price, placing a buy limit here and another buy limit here, ultimately to hit this projection of the 1618, which is $57.75. So for me, if I'm going to hodl, that would be my price prediction. I do one, I'll enter in right now, place a buy limit here at this point here. This would be about $38. I'll place another buy limit at $35. Now when I'm hodling, I will be selling some of my position at the 1618 position at $57.75. That's my price prediction. And then I'll let that run. And every time it dips, I'll be just adding more to my position. Okay. So now let's approach this from a trading standpoint. Now, if you guys are trading this since this is so volatile, especially you can see in the last few days, it's been going swinging up and down, swinging up and down. Let's see. This right here is enough space to place a buy limit right here. So it would have to be a market entry for me to trade this. Very low lot size, especially from here to here. That's pretty significant. That's $5, and so that's a lot of points. So for me, I'm going to trade this on a very small, low lot size. And If it does hit the $57 limit, I'm not going to have a target profit. I'm just going to move my stop loss and try to trade this as much as I can with this one position. If I'm wrong and it hits down lower, my second position will be here. At this bottom support zone will be at $35.75 or 73 cents right there. Same price target. And if it hits that target right there, what I'm going to do is move my stop loss. So here's my entry price. Stop loss. Move it above it. Lock in that trade. Lock in that trade. If it moves up, lock in that trade. I'm just going to do 2 positions because it seems to be very volatile. And if I get knocked out, I don't want to put too much in risk too much in this position. So my price target, guys, is $57.75. Sorry about that. And that's where I will be going for trading this. So, guys, let's check out my website, AndrewJMcClendon.com. If you want to learn more about trading, you guys can book a session with myself, or you guys can go check out some of the indicators that I've back tested. Also, I have some things about gold and silver statistics, some stocks information. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. I will comment to your guys' comment and build a conversation with it. And that's it, guys. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video.